What's up, beautiful people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, good whatever it is, wherever you are on earth. It's your boy again, David. This morning, I'm here again to talk about the UK CDF, the UK crude oil CFD 100. You understand? So I said it yesterday. I said it loud and clear. I said that the market is going to, that the new candle that will open for Monday is going to come down a little bit to the downtrend, and it's going to reverse and start going up. And exactly what I said, it start actualizing itself right now. So you know what, this is not the matter of prediction or anything, you understand, or he predict right, he predict wrong, you get it. This is not the matter. What really matters is that the market is following exactly the direction that the that the price action said, you understand. So this is what really matters. Should you check it out, you're going to see that this is exactly what the market is doing at the moment. And it makes one feel so good when you see this kind of thing and you see it actualize itself the way you were able to calculate the market, and you were able to see that this is the future of the market. This is exactly what's about to happen in the market, and it follows exactly what price action mathematical calculation you were able to solve. You get it? This really makes one really happy. You get it? That wow, this is really happening. You get it? So to my brothers and my sisters that are in the market right now, watching this, I'm really happy for you. You get it? Because right now the market is going up. The sell side, the resistance is still trying to, the bearish side is still trying to fight it. You get it? But the bearish side is just trying. It's not gonna fight it like that. It's just trying to fight it. You get it? The strength is not really there for the bearish side. The strength, the muzzle, the hammer, to like fight this is not really there right now. The crusade of the UK crude oil CFD, you understand, the crusade of it being an uptrend is still going, and it will keep going. You get it? So I don't know what you see to this market. Some people will ask me that, what makes you believe that this market is going up? You get it? And I tell them, okay, some will even ask me, what makes you feel that this market is reversing? What makes you feel that this market is coming down? You get it? But when I tell them, okay, look at the equation I was able to solve. Now look at the equation I was able to solve. You get it? Should you check this? I drew this very side that I'm moving my mouse on now. I drew this very side. I drew them last week. You get it? That the market is going to do that the market is going to like try to pull it down a little bit. I drew it like 2 weeks ago. You get it? Yeah, 2 weeks ago. I drew that the market is going to try to come down, and should it come down most to maximum, it's going to get to this point. It's going to hit that. Should it break this point, should it break this resistance, that is going to go down a little bit, and it's going to reverse. These were my exact words. So this is why I drew the trend line of this down triangle reversal. You get it? This was why I did that. You understand? I drew a reversal pattern of a down triangle. What's it called? You get it? So as it is like this, the market is a downtrending market. I'm sorry. The market is an uptrending market, just like I forecast. So I don't know what you see to the market. Please, 1 second, please, people. Hey, Google. Thank you, please. Don't read the news this morning. Thank you. Yeah. So.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
So, like we were saying, sorry. Every morning my Google Home read this talk news to me. You get it. Read the stock news to me, the forex news, and all that. It's part of what I said already, because this is my life. This is my life. So I'm sorry for that. So like I was saying, this market, and I told people that the market is going to come down, and it's definitely going to reverse. This was why I drew that, the triangle, the downtrending triangle that looks like this. You understand? It looks like this. It looks like this. You get it? So this was why I drew that triangle. That should it go highest, it should go to through the line of the. It should go through the line of the. What's it called? It should go through the line of the resistance. Once it breaks the resistance down, the maximum it cannot pass that, that very angle, this very red triangle. It cannot pass that angle. It will just hit the angle maximum, and it will reverse. And look at it, it was able to break the resistance. It broke it down. It went a little bit. It was about to get to the edge of the triangle. Then it reversed. You get me? Then it reversed according to price action forecast. You get it? According to price action calculation, which is very, 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 very good. You understand? It makes one feel so, it's a really good thing. You get it? This is what I will say. There are many things that happen in this place. Many things happen in this place. You get it? So what really solidified the uptrend of this market, you understand? I'm just gonna tell you few. I'm not gonna tell you all. So please don't hold it against me. I'm just gonna tell you few, very, very few. You get it? So I'm not gonna tell you all, but I'll tell you few. You get it? So one of the few things that make this market reverse is this very point. This very point that I'm rolling my mouse. This very point makes the market solidify the market, that the market is still an uptrend. You get it? When it get, there's a trade war in this place. There's a buying and selling. There's a bullish and bearish war in this very circle. You understand? And the bullish and the bearish war was really strong. It was really strong, and they fought and fought and fought and fought. But this is like the matter of survival of the fittest. You understand? So the buyers, the bullish, the bull side of the market was able to claim its stand, was able to solidify its stand in this very circle, and it went up and up, and it went up and up and up. You get it? So when it gets to this very third point, which is on the 5th of March, on the 5th of March, you understand? On the 5th of March this month, when it got to that very point, you understand? It hits, it opens, and it tried to go up. You understand? Then it reversed down. Then the market, just because the bearish side of it is not strong enough, the market was able to take it up again a little bit. You understand? But the bearish still claims that the market, the bearish still have to actualize itself. You get it? So when this bearish was going down, it was going down, it was going down. It did not give any solidification that the market is going to remain bearish. You understand? Where the bearish feels is between this very bearish candle, bullish candle in the middle, and indecisive bearish candle here. This very one that opens on the 22nd of March. You get it? The candles that really solidify, that one of the major candles that really, one of the major things that really solidify the market, that is a downtrending market, was this very candle that opened on the 18th of March, the one that opened on the 19th of March, and the one that opened on the 22nd of March. You understand? So yeah, the one that opened on the 22nd of March, which was last week Monday. They get it? This really solidified the market reversal. You get it? So, once the market is done, the market was able to like put itself together, get an energy, and it reversed up. You get it? So to me, it's a sweet, 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 sweet trade. You get it? So I don't know what you think about it, but please just let me know what you think. This market is still an uptrending market. I'm in the market at the moment, and I'm trading. So people, apart from that, please, I really appreciate it if you show your boy some love. Please like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on all of my social media pages: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I really appreciate it, people. So people, for now, I'll see you later. So trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all, and have a good one.